Here we are at the Dungeness River Nature Center in the evening to see the lights. Now that's some tree. Come on, Sky. Go see the bridge. All right, let's take a walk on the bridge. Needs to be darker yet. Come on, Sky. Let's go. It's okay. Come on. That's a good girl. A little scared. Good girl.
I should have stayed back there with her. Let me catch up to you, Sky.
Sky wants to go down. Yeah. Okay.
Do video anyway because she's so shaky.
Yeah.
I'm not practicing anymore.
All right. I'm on my own for some video. Sky's had enough of this excitement, right, Sky?
While we do it, sure.
But no, he's the company now.
And your name, sir?
Mr. Wizard.
Okay. Well, this has been a pleasure speaking with you. Are you going to make it across the bridge today, or are you going to stay on the side?
Or what do you mean?
Make your way across
Make
the
my
bridge.
way?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to dance across the bridge.
This is great. Look at this family. A lot of folks have been coming here tonight to admire the lighting on the bridge.
Well, I was here last night. And
Do a little bit of a walk through here as it gets darker.
obviously sending me some more pictures because I'm getting leaks.
Beautiful lights. Well, that was fun. Let's make it darker. Well, that was fun. Got both daytime and nighttime here at Railroad Bridge Park with all the decorations.